Round one. Fight!
So that's me. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but... Hi friends! Today we're taking a look at the QQH high-powered monitor. So let's go ahead, unbox this. For those who love specs, you guys can pause it right here. A lot of people lose that or throw the box away and then they need some specs. Let's go ahead and open it up, test it out. Got a little foldable kickstand, shows you guys how to use that. Plus you got a little manual here. Presentation is very nice. Screen looks like it comes nice and protected. We definitely love that. Yeah, everything is really presentable. So this is very nice. I love this. Look how nice this is, guys. I'm actually going to keep this plastic film and we're just going to keep it at the top because when we're done we can always like put it over. I like that. But yeah, you got your power button right on here. Mode and plus and minus. I love this. You got 2 Type-C ports and 1 mini HDMI port. Here you have your kickstand. Built in. Oh my word, guys. This is really nice. This is very impressive. The company designed this really well. Good for you guys. Good job, company. Okay, let's get to the accessories and test it out. Okay, a couple things. They give you a Type-C to Type-C cable. They give you a standard HDMI to mini HDMI cable. They give you a Type-C to USB cable plus a wall adapter. A USB wall adapter, which is nice. I recommend keeping this box because if you want to put it back in here, it definitely is a good storage. Okay, so a lot of people wonder how you use these. And it is pretty simple for me because I'm used to it. So I'm going to try and give you guys a little rundown here. We're going to need for our setup, we're going to take our HDMI and mini HDMI cable. We're going to take our adapter and our Type-C cable, and we're going to use that as well. You can see on the back here, it shows power HDMI and headset or headphones. We're going to take this cable and we're going to plug it into the power port that's right by the HDMI port. We're going to take the mini HDMI, plug that exactly right in. Just like that. We're going to take this, and before we plug that in, we're going to connect the HDMI cable. We're going to connect it to our adapter here that we have. Now, you would connect this to a computer or anything with a female HDMI plug, or you can get adapters if you need to, which, you know, is pretty awesome. So we're going to take this as well. This is our game stick. So there's video games on here. Now what you're going to do is once you have your HDMI connected to a monitor, screen, a game system, computer, or something like that, we're going to take our plug and plug it in. Okay, as you guys can see, we have it set up. I love this. Well, let's turn the volume up the whole way. We're going to just pick a game here. Let's see. That way you guys can get a good idea. While a game loads, I love that the buttons light up. Like, this is really nice. The screen is crisp and clear. Even for an old school classic games, it's crisp and clear. I'm loving it. We're about to hear the volume on max with an actual gameplay, so I'm pretty excited about that. And so far, so good. Wow. For the speakers, they're actually very nice. Very loud. I love this. Yeah, very nice. So kickstand. Kickstand works excellent. Very impressive. Woo! Come on. Get him. Come on. We got him. Come on. Let's go. KO! Guys, this screen is awesome. Very, very nice.